checkered one too. Putting that lotion on, man. Today was a regular day. I don't know how to explain it. Started off with switching some lights. Brake lights, one of the lights was failing on me, basically. Slowly losing its balance. As time went on, the light was just not turning on anymore. Sometimes it would turn on, sometimes it would. Signal light would turn on, and then sometimes you see some dots turned on while some of the dots are off. And, I was kind of skeptical, so it was about to fail anytime soon. Got on top of that. I didn't even check. I just ordered them off Amazon for like $30. It came with a bracket. I was planning on using them for an underglow, but then I was like, you know what? This is more needed. The brake lights, it could fail anytime than a simple underglow. I could use cheap ass lights for that. So, lucky me, it was a simple plug and play for the driver's side. As on the other side, the passenger, it was more of a hassle, but had to get the connector that it came with the light, rewire it, do the whole business. And they actually ended up being pretty good. While I was doing all that, my father was underneath the truck, greasing it up. We got to adjusting the brakes. Now, I have a little mechanic brother that just started giving me BS for that. Maybe next time I'll bring him down here so he can do it. But yeah, adjusted the brakes, greased everything up. But out of all that, it seemed like a short amount of time that we just got there. We knew what we were gonna do, but no, it took the whole fucking. I'll probably say it took the whole 3 hours or something like that, right? It took its time, because we were chopping it up. We were also doing nothing, we were checking our phones, all that. So yeah, this is how it goes. Oh, what the fuck? Pinche pájaro. Como que me asusta todo cuando estoy enfocado, ¿no?
¿Qué, jefe?
Como que me asusta todo cuando estoy enfocado.
¿Te asusta todo? ¿Por qué?
Acuérdense la otra vez que me salí del carro y luego estaba el pájaro muerto y luego ahorita que voló uno.
Válgame la chingada.
¿Qué pedo? ¿Qué está pasando? Pop is gonna grease right now. He's a good man.
Yeah, I am the monkey grease.
Monkey grease guy. Perfect. All three.
Yeah?
What are you doing?
I'm checking the brakes. Can you see the travel road? It's more than 2 inches. And this one is the same, so I'm gonna need to readjust the. Also, I'm greasing the universal joints and everything here. Hey, somebody here?
Direccional. Ok, freno. Ok. Perfecto. So, it worked. Dale. We're gonna have to cover it up. Come on, like this. But so far it's all good. Not bad. Yeah, son de Amazon. Amazon.
Balata, estamos en 716.
Sí.
And also
Español, inglés, no importa.
1516, ok, 1516, lo metemos aquí en la horquilla y con esto checamos el free play. Entonces ahí tiene un poco de free play, le damos ajuste, un poquito más de ajuste y Y ahí, ok, ahí está mucho mejor. Vamos a checar esta otra.
A la madre.
Pueden checar. Esto es mucho.
Demasiado.
Es too much. So we need to get that shorter.
Hay que hacer los ajustes cada semana, ¿no? ¿Cada cuándo?
Once a month, okay?
Once a month.
Or before the Blitz DOT inspection start.
Which is sometimes everywhere.
Because if you have more than 2 inches free play, that's out of service.
La lista es verga.
Actually.
Ay, cabrón. Bueno, dale para abajo.
Oh, mi panza. Oh. Vamos a checar el free play de este. What a crap.
¿Cómo iba la canción?
¿Qué falta me hace mi padre? Él me enseñó a ajustar balatas cuando tenía 5 años.
Andaba trabajando los 5 años.
¿A huevo?
Eso es todo, maestro.
¿Sabes tú que a la edad de Luca, ahí en Montana, en los ranchos, ya los traen cuando andan errando becerros?
Moviendo los tractores, ¿eh?
No, sí, pero ahí los traen con ellos, güey. Pero eso nomás lo hacen para que pierdan el miedo a las máquinas, a los becerros, todo el pedo.
Don't lose the technique.
Don't lose the technique. No, don't sweat the technique. Dale.
Oops.
Yeah.
Ponerla a la quinta. You gotta grab that extra grease and put it on the fifth wheel. Can't let it go to waste. You're spending all that money, you can't let it go to waste.
Vamos
Sometimes.